Last year I had filmed a video of me making some rock-shaped soaps. A friend had sent me the mold and I thought it would make the perfect bar for my dad for a Christmas present. I didn't realize there would be so much interest in them that I'd have lots of requests to make more and sell them in my shop. It took me a while to get around to them because I had such a hard time finding another one of these molds. And that same friend who sent me the original came to my rescue. I kept the colors all natural on this so that I got that pond or river stone look. It's scented with notes of fresh minty basil, tomato vine, sweet orange blossom, and damp earth. The batter decided it wanted to be a problem. It didn't stay very fluid, so I stuck it in a piping bag in order to get it into the silicone mold. When I'd gifted these to my dad, he said he was really happy with the shape and how they fit in his hand. I think these looked so realistic and they're sure to fool anyone into thinking that they're an actual rock. If you're interested in purchasing them, they are available on our website at lunafaecreations.com. Like and follow for more soap making. Be sure to let me know what colors to do next, and I'll smell you later.